problem nowadays. Sometimes it gets difficult for our body to adjust with sudden rise and fall in temperature. So there are three important things you must follow in your day-to-day routine to stay away from cold and cough. So first is maintaining hygiene and personal care. As it is a contagious disease, you must follow some hygiene in your day-to-day life. Like you must wash your hands thoroughly at least before you eat. Secondly, you should keep handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. And in personal care, you can wear some warm clothes in winters, and you can also use scarves, then cotton balls in your ear to stay away from cold and cough. Second thing is diet. Maintaining diet which is high in immunity boosters like turmeric, ginger, green tea, again some vitamin C rich fruits like orange, sweet lime, lemon, amla also helps to improve your immunity and stay away from cold and cough. Regular exercises like Surya Namaskar, breathing exercises, walking, aerobic exercises helps to improve your immunity and also prevent from cold and cough. So regularly having 30 minutes of exercise 5 days a week also helps. Thank you.